time on DVD.
Hello, little friend.
The timeless classic awakens.
Wake up. We have company.
Now, digitally restored beyond its original brilliance. Walt Disney's Bambi, the special edition.
Don't you remember me?
It's an everlasting tale of innocence and enduring friendship.
Some fun, huh, Bambi?
Wonder and adventure.
Bambi! Mother!
With the unforgettable characters that touched your heart.
You can call me a flower.
This 2-disc special edition features spectacular bonus materials, including never-before-seen deleted sequences. Experience the mysteries of the Forest Adventure game, an exciting multi-level challenge. Enjoy a fun-filled Disneypedia and take an unbelievable journey inside Walt's story meetings as you experience the creative process of this masterpiece in the making.
Well, the little bunny can be kind of amused when Bambi calls a butterfly a bird.
Hailed as a perennial classic.
Great Prince of the Forest.
For the first time ever on DVD, Walt Disney's Bambi, the special edition. Experience the wonder. March 2005. Now available to own on DVD.
From Studio Ghibli, the creators of the Academy Award-winning Spirited Away, come 3 extraordinary films for the first time ever on 2-disc DVD. Nausicaä of the Valley of the Wind. Miyazaki's epic masterpiece of a brave young princess
Nausicaä.
and her struggle to bring peace to the world's warring kingdoms.
Who could have polluted the entire Earth?
You have to save the people of the valley!
Princess, no!
The valley's in danger!
A timeless story of courage and compassion in the face of danger.
What a mysterious power she has.
A magnificent and unforgettable film you won't want to miss. Nausicaä of the Valley of the Wind. Porco Rosso, Miyazaki's soaring action adventure of a valiant pilot.
Here we go. It is Porco.
Transformed by a mysterious spell.
I only look out for myself.
And his heroic battles to rid the skies of notorious pirates.
Slice them into bacon!
Full of courage and humor.
I'll tell everyone you're chicken! Chicken, pig, what's the difference?
Take flight with the incredible Porco Rosso. At last, the cat returns.
Welcome to the Bureau.
A light-hearted tale of a girl who encounters a noble cat
Haru!
and ultimately opens her eyes to a whole other world.
Always believe in yourself. Do this, and no matter where you are, you will have nothing to fear.
It's an imaginative,
Kitty, you want some more?
heartwarming, and magical adventure. The Cat Returns. Experience the wonder of one of the world's greatest storytellers. With these 3 enchanting films you'll want to watch again and again. Nausicaä of the Valley of the Wind. Porco Rosso. The Cat Returns. Yours to own for the first time on 2-disc DVD.
Coming soon to own on DVD and video.
This is fun.
That's fine.
I mean, I can break through walls, I just can't.
That's fine.
This. Shoot, guys. No matter how many times you save the world, it always manages to get back in jeopardy again. I feel like the maid. I just cleaned up this mess. Keep it clean for 10 minutes.
I'm at the top of my game. I'm right up there with the big dogs. Girls, come on. Leave the saving of the world to the men? I don't think so.
Super ladies, they're always trying to tell you their secret identity.
think it'll strengthen the relationship or something like that.
And now more. Your sword can stretch as far as you can and still retain its shape. Virtually indestructible and machine washable, darling. That's a new feature.
Message complete. Stand back.
If you find yourself troubled by something mysterious, or a problem that's hard to solve, there's a place you can go where you will always find help. You just need to look for it.